don't want another officer out here because I don't like the tone of your voice.
You don't like it? All right, step out the car. No. Nope.
On this ride along, an officer holds a blue pen. A woman points her finger, and another watches the situation. On May 6th in Lauderdale Lakes, Florida, an officer was on State Road 7 when he noticed a nearby Camry was being driven by a woman with a suspended license.
You have your license, registration, and insurance?
She didn't, so the officer got to the heart of the matter.
So is there a reason why your license will be suspended already?
The only thing is my insurance.
So insurance. So you
I was
don't have
late.
insurance?
I don't know. I was late on it. So I'm not
So you got the notice that said your license will be suspended? You didn't show proof for it?
No, not yet. Not yet, because I've been battling the case for my grandma, like before she passed. So after she passed, I don't know. I kind of make this like.
426
I'll be right back, okay?
The officer then printed out her tickets and returned to get her to sign them.
Sure. Got bad news for you? Okay.
Yeah.
Your license suspended, you already know this. So.
I just came from Polk County yesterday. I had to bury my grandma.
Huh?
I came from Polk County yesterday. They sent her up there because my dad's up there. We had a funeral for her.
I understand that. But your license is still suspended, right? So which means you're going to have to go to court on the 10th.
The officer would explain to the woman where the courthouse was, and then things got difficult.
All right, you sign this for me. Signing it doesn't mean you're guilty. It simply means that you understand that you have to report to court on the date and the time that I tell you, which is June 10, 2025, okay?
When did I have a suspended license? Like,
that was in April 7th.
how much is the ticket?
God, I don't know. I don't know the price of the ticket.
I'm not signing it.
I'm not signing it.
I want to know how much it is.
I have to tell you, if you don't sign this ticket, you will be going to jail, okay?
I want to wait till my mom gets here then.
What?
I'm going to wait till my mom gets here
You're going to wait until your mom gets here to do what?
to sign.
To sign it? Why? You're over 18, you're an adult. Your mom don't have no say-so in this.
I know, but I'm not mentally stable right now. My grandma just passed away. She's the one that raised me. I need my mom to.
Okay. How long am I going to stand here all day waiting for you?
Like 10 minutes.
So you want me to wait 10 minutes for the man to get here?
You're right here? Yeah.
But you're an adult. You don't understand that?
Are you going to let me drive off with the car with a suspended license? Okay, so we have to wait for my mom, right?
The car is going to go towed.
We're going to wait on my mom. She's going to come pick my car.
No, the car is getting towed. The mom is going to take
Could
you.
you hold on. I'm going to call my ex-husband because he's a police officer, and then I'm going to get right back to you.
Ma'am, listen.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Because he lives right down the street.
Let me get the car. You're first place.
I said wait.
Let me get the car.
Can you ask for your super? I need somebody else out here. I don't like the tone of your voice, and you're making me feel uncomfortable. I'm a child of God, and I don't play these type of games.
I tell you that. I tell you what.
I'm not that type of
You'll
person.
either sign the ticket.
I want to wait till my mom.
Listen to me.
I feel uncomfortable.
This is the option I'm gonna give you.
You either get another officer and wait until my mom
Listen,
comes. I'm not dealing with your options because I know my law.
Katrina.
So I'm either gonna call another officer out here or I'm gonna wait till my mom comes.
Katrina. This is your options right now.
I don't feel comfortable. I'm not gonna sign anything under pressure. I'm not doing that.
You can refuse to sign the ticket.
I'm not refusing. I said I'm gonna wait till another officer gets out here.
What other
While I'm
officer?
waiting on my mother. Any officer that you call. I don't mind if it's your friend. Call somebody else out here. I'm not signing it until I have somebody else. I want to wait.
Officer for what?
I want to be comfortable. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel like I'm under pressure.
Right.
I shouldn't be
You're about
under.
to go to jail.
The
You
Bible says
understand
I
that,
can't be under any. Bro, the Bible tells me that I'm not supposed to be under any anxiety. As soon as I get any type of anxiety, I don't want it. I'm gonna wait till another person comes over. Thank you.
You get a 94.
Sorry, tonight?
me get a 94 this.
10 for District 4 unit for 294 for 5 Tango 51 building 400 blocks of April 7.
So instead of taking him to jail, I'm giving you a ticket to go to court. Now you're making this worse than what it
I
is.
want to call my mom. I don't know about signing
But you're an
the ticket.
adult. Your mom has nothing to do
I never
with
signed a
this.
ticket before. I don't feel safe. It's okay if I'm able to call somebody else
Okay, for now,
for advice. That's okay. I don't have the mental stability right now.
All right, let me get the car
to
key.
do any of that.
Can I get the car key?
No. I'll turn my car off, but I'm not giving
Let
up my
me
car.
get the car key.
I said no. I said I'm gonna wait till another officer comes out here. That doesn't make any sense. I just bought this car. I'm not losing it right now.
You're not losing your car. Your car is getting towed. You can.
I don't have money to tow it. My mom is coming. She has a
My mom is
license.
not taking the car.
Yes, she is. And I want another officer out here because I don't like the tone of your voice.
You don't like it? All right, step out the car. Nope. No.
Move.
Stop.
No, I don't feel safe. No. No.
Stop. You're under arrest right now. Step out the car.
I got to an accident.
Step out the
No,
car.
I don't feel safe.
Turn your phone. Step out the car. You're under arrest. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car.
Don't touch me.
Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car. Step out the car.
Get back! Get back!
The officer was just yelling at a woman who had been driving by and stopped. She'd keep her distance, so the officers focused on getting the woman cuffed and on her feet.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
When is your accident?
Stand up. Stand up.
This would continue for a couple more minutes as the officer adjusted the cuffs. So like the final season of Game of Thrones, it's not worth watching. And that's why you sign your tickets. Like the channel? Subscribing feeds this narrator's unhealthy need for external approval.
1098, 1098.
She was charged with resisting without violence, driving on a suspended license, and refusing to sign a ticket. After successfully completing the court's misdemeanor diversion program, the charges would either be dismissed or not pursued for prosecution. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride-along.